We know how frustrating it can be when you can't find a direct and detailed answer to your landscaping needs. It seems like nobody understands what you're going through. So if you don't find exactly what you need, then don't worry. Simply contact our friendly team. We can walk you through which of our landscaping services will fulfill your requirements and explain the options and how we work. We promise that we'll maintain the highest level of customer care and commitment. All of our work is carried out to assured standards, and we'll complete everything efficiently, leaving you with great results. Talk to one of our landscaping professionals right now, using any of our contact methods. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is waiting to solve your unique requirements. So please, don't hesitate to contact us and let us craft the exact landscaping service that you need. Let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We're here to help, so contact us today.